This is the Dolly Sinatra Logs Wednesday night dinner social. Every week we have a different entertainer. Tonight it happens to be Frankie DeSalvo. Next week it's Michael D'Angelo. And the following week is Larry Papalotto. And the fourth week is a surprise.
Was it the lady going to jump out of a cake or what?
No, maybe a cannoli.
A cannoli. Very good.
They call you Lady Luck, but there is room for doubt. At times you have a very unladylike way of running out. You're on this date with me. The pickings have been lush, and yet before this evening is over, you might give me the brush. You might forget your manners. You might refuse to stay. And so the best that I can do is pray. Luck be a lady tonight. Luck be a lady tonight. Luck if you've ever been a lady to begin with. Luck be a lady tonight. I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. On Blueberry Hill, when I found you, the moon stood still. On Blueberry Hill, and lingered until my dreams came true. Ma queti ti guardano così vicini e veri, poi improvviso su una lacrima lui crede di affogare.